If you're still watching during Christmas break, we wanted to show you something that we ordered and got for Christmas, and it's called Japancrate. And our Japancrate came today, and it's Christmas themed, and we have so many different things to try.
My favorite.
Hold on. Let me show them real quick what this box looks like.
This is the best one to try.
Hold on, Theo. Let's show it at the top. So there's the top. Open it up, Japancrate. You can see it looks like Santa and a reindeer. Oh yeah. So we're gonna try out a few things over the next few days, and we just tried out a few today, and we'll show it to you. But if you want, real quick, we can show you. Nabelle's gonna tell you her favorite so far.
My favorite is these little pizza curly chips. They look like this.
Pizza chips. They taste kind of like barbecue chips, sour cream. Here's, again, since it's a holiday theme, check out, we got
this caramel corn.
Caramel corn?
Sit on the side.
Theo's got a koala cookie, but I want to show you some more of the holiday looks. This has, it has some like little stars on the packaging.
This is chocolate with salt and peanuts.
Okay, well, we'll have to look at, you can see that one even says Merry Christmas on it, so.
And
I'm just looking at the holiday theme.
This is a Coke piece of gum.
Okay. This says Merry Christmas. I'm just kind of showing how it's a Christmas theme.
Chocolate waffle.
Okay. And this has, this also looks like a kind of a Santa outfit on this guy. So I think that sometimes there are some flavors that are more far and away. And these, though, seem to be a lot of flavors that people from America would probably like. They had a lot of chocolate and creamy flavors, things that are similar to some of our candies and cookies around here. So we'll find out more as we're going to probably do another video tomorrow, but we want to show you just a few things from today. Okay. Hope it's good. You might, oh, can you get it?
Yep.
Don't make it like all like explode. Okay, let's do it. What does it look like? Okay, taste it.
It looks like a tiny pirate booty.
I don't know if it's anything like pirate booty. How's it taste? Is it a sugar kind of taste? Is it at all fizzy? Nabelle.
It's very sugary.
Koala. Okay, it looks like a little cookie, maybe with vanilla in it or something.
It is. Like one of those things.
How is it? Yeah? Sweet. Can I try one?
Can I try one?
Thank you. It's got a koala on it. So cute.
Yeah, it smells bad.
Now it's sparkling. That means it's going to be a little fizzy. Ooh, it is fizzing. Ew, it's gloppy. Is that okay? I don't know. I might have to read this. Let me read the thing. Okay, so you're going to try. Combine the holidays with a pizza party and you get Tahato's Christmas potato. I have no idea how to pronounce it. Pizza flavored ring chips. And you'd already tried the World of Stars.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. Can you open it?
We didn't drink that because it was in a glass.
No, we decided not to drink this because it had solid in it. It might be totally fine, but it was just too weird. And we tried Theo's koala cookies, which it said try to name what the flavor is. And it was a familiar flavor, but I also could not think of what that flavor was.
I think it was pizza. It smells pizza-y.
Yeah?
Look.
You want to put it up here on the counter?
Ring chips. These are really good.
Cute. Want to try one, Theo?
No, thank you. Sure?
Come on, it's a pizza chip. Thank you.
I don't really like pizza chips.
Let's see. Let me get the description. Okay, that says roll cake strawberry cream. Yeah.
Too late to say don't eat it.
It looks like a Kit Kat. You gotta share it with Nabel. Here, put it up here. Let's look at it. Look at that. It looks like a lot like a Kit Kat, but strawberry. Cool. Nabel, are you gonna try it or not?
No.
Okay. She didn't like strawberry stuff. Okay. So, more tasting and unboxing tomorrow. The kids didn't want to do it all in one day, and we're going to kind of spread it out. We're going to get Japancrate for a few months, and maybe we can let you know how they taste. All right. Happy New Year. Bye.